Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Audit Media. Today we are up Flintshire Mountain. It's called Hope Mountain. The weather's not great over here at the moment, to be honest. As you can see there, the weather's absolutely really foggy. Show you through my car window. You can barely see more than about 50 metres. I've just been putting a bit of a review on what I'm going to be doing over the next few weeks. So I'm going to be getting the drone up when the weather settles over the next few weeks. So that's a must. I'm going to be definitely getting some really nice aerial views of different places around the country. So it could be coastal, it could be country, it could be over castles, that sort of thing. I'm also going to be doing some travel tips and a bit of vlogging of reviews for the consumer. So that's going to be in regards to we're going to be going to the motorway service stations, and I'm going to be just doing a review on different pricing for the local coffee shops in there, so Starbucks and the Greggs and the Costa, W.H. Smith's as well. As you're probably aware of, pricing is different everywhere you go in the country, and that's probably to do with the rates for the building and stuff like that. But you can go to one services and buy a coffee at one place and go 20 miles up the road, go to another services, the same coffee chain, and it's a totally different price. Same cup of coffee, same ingredients, totally different. So that's what it's going to be all about. Also, it's going to be in regards to I don't know if you've noticed over the years, but the services, they're raking in thousands upon thousands of pounds per year, but they don't seem to be refurbishing very often at all. And that's down to the landlords and obviously the services. I'm guessing, especially on the outside of the building, the inside maybe, of the coffee shop, stuff like that, that must be down to the companies that own that space. But a lot of services, you pay all that money and they're looking very tired, and they're not great. There's a few in the northwest which are really bottom of the list, and they need definitely a good refurbish on the outside and on the inside. And that's where I'm going to come in, guys. I'm going to do a review in regards to the nicer services to the more undesirable services, and obviously the pricing as you're going up and down the country to different services, the pricing of the coffee shops and that sort of thing. Anyway, guys, as you can hear the wind, it's growling at me. Now about 3:15 in the afternoon. The fog's coming down, as you can see there. I am up a mountain in Flintshire. It's called Hope Mountain. Give us a comment if you'd like me to cover certain areas, do a vlog on it, or when the weather's a little bit better, get the drone up. Give us a thumbs up as well, and please subscribe to my channel, it all helps. Until next time, I'll speak to you again very soon.